Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Trello's card scheduler effectively, the full 2025 guide. Let's start with the first step, creating a Trello card. Go to your Trello board and click the Add a Card option. This is the foundation where we set the groundwork for our tasks. Now that we've done that, it's time to give your card a title and a brief description. This helps us because it defines the task for you and your team and keeps everyone on the same page. Next up is the crucial part, scheduling. Click on the Due Date button on your card and select the date and time for your task. The reason we do this is to ensure that each task is given a specific time frame, making it easier for you to manage your workflow. Then, activate the reminder function. This is where Trello's card scheduler shines. You can set reminders for due dates so you won't miss any deadlines. Let me explain why this matters. It's like having a personal assistant reminding you of your tasks. Finally, once everything is set, click Save. This finalizes your card with all the scheduling details in place. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello's card scheduler is now ready to keep you updated on your task's progress. And that's it, folks. You've now learned how to use Trello's card scheduler. It's a simple tool, but it can make a world of difference in keeping your tasks organized and ensuring everything gets done on time. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep scheduling.